Can infinity wheel spacers cause vibration? People worry that the infinity wheel spacers may cause wheel vibration. In fact, infinity wheel spacers will not cause any vibration. If there is a sure sign of vibration, it is strongly recommended to have a check. The fitness of the infinity wheel spacers and the tightness of lug nuts are the two first factors you should focus on. If you make everything right, there should be no vibration issues. Most wheel vibration problems are balanced on lug-centric infinity wheel spacers. A lug-centric spacers mean there is a big hole in the middle. The lug holes are also made larger to fit a variety of vehicles. Without a snug fit, these spacers are centered on the vehicle's hubs only by wheel studs. If you are using these three spacers, there is a high risk of vibration. In this case, well-produced hub-centric infinity wheel spacers will be the easiest solution. As long as you use quality infinity wheel spacers and install them properly, they are very safe and reliable. Since the wheel studs and lug nuts use a clamping force to secure the infinity wheel spacers and the wheels. If the studs or lug nuts are not strong enough to support this process, they are likely to bend by road impact. The provided wheel studs of BONOSS infinity wheel spacers are made of high-strength sports SCM 4.0 steel material. They have achieved ISO standard grade 12.9. With high strength, the infinity wheel spacers can bear the forces without breaking. Hub-centric infinity wheel spacers keep the wheel centered and the balance on the vehicle hubs while driving. After the spacers and the wheel are properly torqued, the hub-centric rings cover the gap between the center bolts of the vehicle to the hubs of the vehicle. Thus, hub-centric infinity wheel spacers are important because they ensure that the wheels are perfectly secure on the vehicle. This helps to prevent any kind of vibration issues. BONOSS infinity wheel spacers are designed with better multi-stage hub-centric ring. The multi-stage hub-centric metal ring is machined to be multi-layers, and the barrels fit the corresponding hub flange, which eliminating any possible gaps. Besides, they are CNC machined with precision at 0.02 mm tolerance. This improves the fit and functionality of spacers. Since infinity wheel spacers are components that contain the other parts, you absolutely need high tolerance.